guys, welcome back to Joyo's Chronicles. Today we are at Oloolua
Nature Trail. So by the way, we have our masks.
Yes.
Yeah, so we decided after staying home for such a long time, just come, have fun, take walks, being healthy, breathing fresh air. So we'll take you through.
Yes.
Imagine it's so cheap. It's 200 shillings. Yeah.
Adults. Yeah. As you can see here, the charges, the entrance. So guys, we are inside the nature trail. The stream over here, as you can see. This goes until to, it's called Bagati River.
On the side, they go on the pictures.
So we follow these routes. You can see we have the welcome to Oloolua Nature Trail. As you can see, it looks like a forest. This is the best place to come, feel at home. And it's only 200 shillings, Bob. So we are going to the waterfalls. We go to the caves. And then, there are monkeys too. But once I get one, I'll show you guys. So KK, Koski, and I. So
Tumefika palika waterfall, my people. Shida ni hiyo mteremko, tujui kama tutawezana, lakini itabidi.
We'll go.
Okay.
So that's the waterfall over there down. Waterfall. But the place is so steepy, so I never managed to get that down. But hey, so that's the waterfall down there. This is the forest. You can see the bamboos over here. They're so tall. Yeah, that's one. We have others hidden over there. So this is another beautiful bamboo. This is Bagati River. So, Koski,
Aloha.
how's your experience so far?
Hey.
How's your experience?
So far, so good. That is so amazing. Bagadi River, if I'm not wrong. Yeah.
Another trail. Going to the bridge. You can see the vegetation, so very beautiful. This is the bridge. People have thrown plastics in here. So that's the swamp. It looks so artificial. You can see the vegetation you have here, the bushes. It's so sunny today. So this is the picnic site. You can come here and chill with your friends. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's about the guys, we are done. We're going to the exit side. So if you like this video, please share, subscribe, and leave a comment and let me know what you think about this nature trail. Until then.